Hello there and welcome to a viewing with Crofts. Today we're viewing 7 Hawthorne Avenue, a property located in Cleethorpes which is close to all the amenities and the local schools. It's a mid-terraced house and this property has no forwarding chain, so it is ready to go. Now on entering the property, it's 2 doors there into a porchway, offering a second door, then into your wonderfully light hallway and a stair straight ahead. But what we'll do first of all is take you through into the living space. And as you can see, you've got the laminate flooring throughout, which is really bright. It looks very nice and clean. So we're into a through lounge here. So front to back, and what a beautiful size this is. A great family living space. So lounge cum dining area, front to back, really spacious. This is a property well worth viewing. Ideal family home. Very neutral in colour and giving you absolutely lots of lovely living space. Lots of storage there as well. So under the stairs we've got storage as well, just showing you how large the storage area is, just for obviously for now those bins popped out of the way, waiting for the new owner to come in. So into the kitchen space. Now this is a wonderfully bright area and we've got a high gloss kitchen there, very fashionable, and lots of storage throughout. So you have your workspace all around, and then the kitchen turns around into the corner, which we'll show you in a moment. But you can see from this space here, light coming in from the garden. And then you have your washing machine space and your sink, and yet more space here. And the light coming through from the very nicely kept, very low maintenance garden space. Now from here I'm going to take you up the stairs and show you what upstairs offers you. Now you've got 2 large double bedrooms and a single bedroom. But at the top here you have your bathroom space. So opening up onto the bathroom, which offers you your basin, storage, shower over a bath there, once again beautifully decorated, toilet, bath, flooring. Now this flooring once again carried on through the bedrooms. It's done in a lovely cream colour with the white flooring and grey, overlooking the back garden there. Good size double bedroom, very bright, very sunny. Into the hallway, the banister there, into the second bedroom, once again a good size double, this one overlooking the front. And as you can hear, nothing, it's a very quiet property on a very quiet road here. And then I'm going into third bedroom, still offering you good space here for single, once again done very bright and nice. This property is really worth viewing for a lovely family home. So if this has given you that thought of I would like to view, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666 and we'll gladly arrange viewing for you. Thank you, bye bye.